Each time you buy a new sprayer from Airofog, you're going to be getting a repair kit. And this is everything you need for the wear items on that sprayer. So you don't have to worry about chasing these down. All of these parts are always available through Airofog. But when you buy a new sprayer, you get a starter kit of repair parts right away. Now, one of the issues we always have to worry about with equipment is wear and tear. The way you can prevent a lot of wear and tear is proper lubrication. And Airofog did a tremendous amount of work and found that this grease from Mobile Grease XHP 222, is the most efficient at working between metal, stainless steel, brass, and Viton. So, each time you buy a sprayer, not only do you get the repair kit, you'll get a small pouch of the grease itself. Now, in use, in the field, you're working with this piece of equipment each and every day. Maybe you feel a little bit of binding or hesitation when you're screwing down the lid. That's the time you clean that off and put the lubrication on. You don't wait till you have a problem. The seals here, top of the pump cylinder, the internal seal, these are all wear items, so that if something doesn't feel quite right in use, that's the time to add the lubrication. The other thing you have to be careful of is, are the pieces tightened down sufficiently? For sake of example, the pump cylinder screws into the head. There's a gasket there we have to keep lubricated. But if you're not careful, you don't screw it down, you could have a leakage issue. So make sure the parts and pieces are properly snugged up in place so they operate efficiently. Even the small gasket at the base here, if there's debris underneath the edge of it, that's going to cause a problem and get liquid into the pump cylinder. And in many cases, it's just a quick cleaning of that area that takes care of the issue. So if the equipment is properly cleaned and maintained, it's going to work. Now, you know, this grease itself, Airofog tested this with 35 days of automated pumping. And over a 35-day period of automated pumping, this grease was still in sufficient amount on that seal to maintain proper pressure and operate efficiently. That's the kind of long-term wear and tear that we need to prevent, and this grease does that. And that's why we recommend it. So Airofog has done all the homework to make sure you're getting the right parts and the right greases to keep your equipment operating efficiently and keep you in the field and productive.